Hey guys, and welcome back to the Nerd House. I am Fantasy Nerd. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out. If you haven't already, please follow, subscribe, do whatever you're gonna do, so you can see when I get notified when I post a video. And today's video is an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I had store credit from Gamestop. I was going to use it to pre-order the PS5. That's not going to happen. So I decided to buy this Mega Egg Gaming Mystery Egg. I've seen this for quite a while now, probably about a year. Finally decided, no, why the hell not, I'll buy it. But before we open it, before we get started, just got a shout out here. Monster Energy, greatest energy drink ever made. Quite possibly the greatest drink in existence of all drinks. If anyone tells you different, do not associate yourself with those people. You do not need that negativity in your life. You are better than that. And if anyone tells you that Red Bull is better than Monster, I give you permission to smack them. Because we all know Monster is and always will be the greatest energy drink ever put on God's beautiful earth. So, to Monster. There we go. Yes, I have a little bit of addiction to Monster. Just a little bit. Tiny. So, I have no idea what's going to be in this. No idea at all, so it's going to be cool. But we're going to use the big knife to open this thing up, or try to open this up. Let's see here. Oh, that worked. Nice. Alright, it just needs one more. They got this thing sealed good. Alrighty. Interesting. Alright, so first we got the Overwatch backpack hanger. We got Harry Potter collector pins. We got something that doesn't want to come out. Wow. Okay. Man, they really got this in. How the hell did they get it in if you can't get it out? Alright. Overwatch pin set. I would put this on eBay, but this thing is all, I mean, the pins are in good shape, but the packaging is all bent, so we'll see. We got the Overwatch backpack hangers. Well, there was a lot of cool stuff in here. Let's see. It's a lot of Overwatch. Alright, we got the Overwatch plush toy. Now, I've never played Overwatch, so don't know too much about it. Nickelodeon Invader Zim plush toys. This was $30. And actually, was it? $39.99 this cost. So $40. Rocket League Mini Racers Series 1. And it comes with an exclusive DLC code. And you know what? That's awesome because I have Rocket League from the Nintendo Switch. So that is really cool. Harry Potter Backpack Buddies. Look out for the mystery rare character. Alright, here we go. You know, I gotta say, so far, this is actually pretty cool. Super Mario Odyssey. Mascots. Digimon Plush Mini. That is, you know, this is definitely worth $40. This is really cool. Zelda Backpack Buddies, Legend of Zelda. That is cool. Halo. What is this? Backpack hangers. There's 11 to collect. And then there is a... Oh, Halo 5 unlockable code for any Halo 5 players. Alright, now we got Fallout backpack hangers. Still got a lot of stuff left. Rick and Morty. Squish Me. There we go. That I'll put on eBay. Alright, I got orange fidget spinner. Gray with glitter fidget spinner. Another Rick and Morty Squish Me ball. That is cool. Another Halo hanger. Backpack hanger with the Halo 5 code. Oh, what do we got here? Alright, Rocket League light up clip-on with the DLC code. Oh, this I'm definitely holding on to this. Because Rocket League I like. So, there we go with that. Another Rocket League ball with exclusive code. That is really cool. I don't know how to pronounce this. Yokai watch. Yoki watch. And last but not least, Fallout backpack hanger. 8 to collect. Alright, so let me close that. Alright, so the plush toys I could put over there. Overwatch, we can put that there. Fidget spinners can go there. These I'm going to put on eBay. Alright, put the big knife over here. Alright, let's get to it. So first we will open up Mario. Oh, this goes on above. Okay. I see what this is for. So, it's from Super Mario Odyssey. And I got Mario's hat. Well, one of his hats. And it can go on... If you have the Mario figure, you can put the hat on his head, or it could go on your bottle. So if you have a water bottle or something, the hat could go right on top. So that is cute. I like that. Alright, I want to save that for reference. Put that down there. Alright, next we are going to open up the Harry Potter one. See if we get anything good. Oh, these look like they look like the keychain pop figures. Are these from Funko? No, they're not. They're cool. So I have, who do I got? Professor McGonagall. I got her. Very cool. Alright, there's only one of her. Let's see. Alright, we'll do the Halo one. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. Because I don't have Halo, I'll read it slowly. I'm going to read the code on the back of here. The first person that watches this, that has Halo 5, you can use the code. So here we go. Are you guys ready? 2 V as in Victor, C as in cat, M as in Mike, M as in Mike, J, V as in Victor, P as in Paul, X, R as in Roger, D as in dog, 4, M as in Mike, T as in Tom, X, G as in go, 4, 9, Q, like Quizno, Q as in Quizno, D as in dog, F as in Frank, P as in Paul, H, and Z as in zebra. There we go. If you need to rewind the video back and hear it again, that is the code. So let me know if it worked, and I hope you guys got something good from it. Alrighty, and now we're going to open up... Oh, who did I get? Master Chief? Oh, the regular Master Chief. Cool. We're going to do this watch. Oh, we do have one more Halo one to open up. So if you didn't get that code, you could get the next one. And if you use the code, comment that you used it so that other people watching don't punch it in. Let them know that you used it. Level 5. Alright, that's must be a Japanese thing. That's cute. I'll give that to my niece to put on her bag. Alright, we're going to do the other halo. I got the same exact guy. Alright, so one of these I'll put on eBay. Alright, here we go for the code. And if you got the first code, don't take the second one. Let someone else get it. X, H, Y like yo-yo, M as in Mike, R as in Roger, 7, P as in Peter, 4, Q like in Quizno, 9, C as in cat, F, 7, V as in Victor, C, Q, D as in dog, W, M, J as in John, 3, 4, 6, Z. Now what I want to do, I'm going to hold on to these. I'm not using them. I'm just going to hold on to them just in case you guys can't hear it all and I got to put them on, I have to punch them in the comments. So they're going to be right here. Alright, now we're going to do the Fallout ones. Alright, Vault Boy. That's, for anyone who's played Fallout, that's pretty cool. Actually, you know what? This one I'm going to give to my niece. So I'm not going to put that one on eBay. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, these are done. Next we got Zelda. Alright, that is cool. Alright, now we'll do the 2 Overwatch ones. Now, is this the mystery one? Reinhard. Alright, that's that guy right there. Alright, and then we'll do this one. See if I pulled the mystery hero. That would be cool. Oh, I thought I dropped it. Soldier 76. That's who that one is. Alright, Harry Potter collectible pins. Alright, that is really cool. I don't know if you could see that, but Hermione, I got her. 9 to collect, and look out for the rare mystery character. That is cool. Yep, Hermione, Ron, Harry, Professor Snap, Rubus, Professor Dumbledore, Lord Voldemort, and Hedwig. Those are the 2, 4. Those are the 8, and then there's a 9th rare one, which I do not show you. All right, let's see Invader Sim. Who is this? Pink. Alright, that's cool. So this isn't bad, but kids would enjoy this a lot more. Alright, Rocket League now. So I got that car. Is there a name? Endo. Very cool. Okay, so it says, oh, the DLC code, if you get the super rare car in this, you get the DLC code. I did not get it. Well, I got these two to open up, but I haven't gotten it yet. Alright, these are different than that. Alright, there's 3 rare, there's 1 super rare. Those 4 come with a code. The other ones do not. So let's see. If I got it. If I pulled one of the rare. Nope, no code, so I did not. So I got the blue one, I got this one, and then let's open... Also, so for any of my subscribers on YouTube, any of you guys, if you have a Nintendo Switch, in the comment section, drop your username. So I can, what do you call it? Friend request you on the Nintendo Switch. I play Animal Crossing right now, and I play the card game. If you're not comfortable putting it in the comment section, then if you want, you can like private message me on Instagram or email fantasynerdny@gmail.com. That is the email that I use for my subscribers and my followers for you guys to get in touch with me. So fantasynerdny@gmail.com. Alright, let's see what's in this one. And also, while I open this, I already ordered my business cards with the logo, everything on it. They'll be coming this week, which is going to be awesome. And I even ordered a hoodie. It has my logo in the front, right up here. And then in the back, it says, ask me about the logo. So there we go. I did that with Teespring. And then once I get the shirt and I see how it looks, then I'll have the link where you guys can order my merchandise, shirts and stuff. Alright, so I got the yellow car. So there we go. That was everything. This was alright. This wasn't too bad. I mean, better for younger kids. It would make a good gift. I like the Harry Potter pin. That was cool. Especially with kids with backpacks. All of these would definitely be cool. So, it was store credit. I was just trying to get rid of it. So there we go. I gave it a shot, and it's $40. So, if you're out and you like it, go pick it up. And if you do a video, let me know so I can check it out and see if you pulled the same stuff or if it was different. Alright, guys? So, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following on any of my social media. Remember, you could check me out on Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, and TikTok. Just look for the logo, Fantasy Nerd NY, and the link for my Instagram is on my YouTube, and the link for my eBay is on my YouTube channel. And there we go. Twitch, Fantasy Nerd NY. I stream every night except Sunday. So come check me out tonight, 8 o'clock, Magic the Gathering Arena. I'll be on from 8 to 10. Alright, guys, be safe, stay nerdy, always drink Monster, and have an awesome weekend. Take care.